Well, what's nice is that she's trying to act and be all nice to me right now. But,
no,
okay.
really, get on it. Get this fixed and get it fixed now. Why didn't you ask for our help?
Why? I hate pulling dishwashers. Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year to everybody. Wish everybody a happy and healthy 2024. Woke up to a little bit of a winter wonderland out here today. Also to a call that I have a lady, happens to be my mother-in-law, woke up to water coming out from underneath her dishwasher this morning. So I'm gonna go over there, see if I can do anything. Nothing's open today, so hopefully we can fix her issue. And yeah, just gonna be dusting out the truck. We'll see you over there. Gotta go to the trailer. Hopefully I have what I need in there. We'll see you when we get there. Get it!
He's coming over today?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back at the in-laws house. Gonna make her famous. What's the issue, Sue?
The dishwasher is leaking under these drawers. All down here. But then I notice it's coming out over here too.
Well, what's nice is that she's trying to act and be all nice to me right now. But,
No,
okay.
really, get on it. Get this fixed and get it fixed now. There's the real Sue.
And your phone bubbled up. Look at that.
Yeah, look at it, eh? You see it?
See it?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
You can see it. Stand here and you can really see it.
All right, of course she's in my way again, so
Sorry,
I'll let her fix up lunch and we'll get back with you. I'll get my stuff ready.
I'm cleaning that path for you. Do you need the dishwasher empty?
You don't know. We don't.
I don't know. I'm gonna take the plate off first and see what's
Okay,
going on.
there's only a couple of things in there, but if you need it, I can empty it in 2 seconds.
Hi Ash.
Hi.
You guys know my lovely wife. How was your New Year's?
It's good.
Yeah? You drop it like it's hot?
Yeah, Happy New Year, by the way, Scott, in person.
Oh, thanks. I don't think this is Ashley's youngest daughter, Madeline. I don't know if she's been on yet. You been on YouTube yet?
Not yet.
I used to have my YouTube channel, but I don't post anymore.
No, on this YouTube, on Scott's YouTube.
She broke out in hives last night.
I did.
I don't blame her too. If I slept here, I would too. Just kidding, Sue.
That's your coffee.
Sue-wee!
That's your coffee.
All right, I'll get back with you.
Okay, thanks, Scott.
Okay, so when she called me, I just told her to turn that valve off, the hot water valve, so it would stop leaking, and it did. So what we're gonna do is take off this kick plate and see. I'm hoping it's the water line, the feed. But if it isn't, we'll have other issues for sure. Okay, this one hooks up from the back. We're gonna have to pull it. Great. I hate pulling dishwashers. Oh, okay.
Okay, close it.
Yeah, no, I see where it's leaking.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Okay, guys. I figured it out. Her dishwasher's shit the bed. I'm gonna turn the water off again. Turn this off. Okay, Suey.
Okay, what does this mean?
I'm done. I'm going home.
Are you okay?
I'm done.
Broken?
Yeah.
It is broken?
The connection, the solenoid valve right there.
That,
Right here. Right back there.
that,
It's leaking from the plastic cap. You see it?
that white plastic cap?
Yeah. So
Oh.
I have to see if that's a part I can get.
Like this, that thing right there? This?
Yeah. You see how it looks like
Yeah.
it screws on to the dark gray?
Yeah.
It's leaking. See it?
Oh, I just saw it, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try to take it out and see if it's loose, but I don't know. Maybe that has a lot of pressure because your water.
Maybe.
I don't know. I'll check it out.
All right. Good job, Handyman Scott.
Oh, good job.
Good job. Great job.
Hey, Nellie. Hi. Hi, Nellie. All right. I'm gonna take that out and see if I can do anything with it.
Okay,
I'll
thanks,
be back.
Scott. Yeah.
All right, guys. This is just gonna pop out. The water is off, so I'm gonna need this part. I'm gonna go to the appliance guy I've been using. Not today, obviously, but I'll have to come back and just change that out, and that'll be good. It's not all for nothing though, because I have clean up some of her plumbing copper lines. Right now she can't. It's not isolated under there, so I'm gonna rework that copper there and get her shut off just for the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna redo the top fitting, give her a new shut off up there too. So dishwasher's figured out. We can't fix it today, but it is what it is, and I'm gonna get my other stuff ready to fix that. All right, I'll be back with you. All right, guys, so what I did was I pulled it out and I saw that there was water at the bottom of this tub, and it was activating that float switch there. So obviously there's a leak somewhere. So I just soaked it all up, turned it back on, turned the water on, and checked for leaks, and the water valve was leaking. So I got that out. That's way back there. I took the door off. It's just attached. Slide on. I took it off. This actually fell apart. So it was obviously cracked here. Called my guy. I'm gonna see if I can get another one soon. But she's without a dishwasher for now. Now I'm just gonna go under here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the pipe here so I can put a new shut-off valve for the dishwasher so they can isolate it, so they don't have to lose their faucet hot water every time, and put a new shut-off for the faucet. Okay, I'll get back with you when I'm all set up. Okay, so I'm going to cut it here. I have this shark bite with the connection. I'll put this here like this. I have another piece of new copper pipe. I'll attach it to there. Then I have this shut off for the faucet. So you now isolate either or, so you're not in this predicament when you need to do anything. I'm gonna cut a little bit bigger of a piece. We'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna take these off and get it together. Alright, so using the shark bite connection, I'd rather solder. It's all I have, and it's holiday today, so I'm going to use this down here, and then I'm just going to pre-solder the top part and put it in. Just reattach everything. Easy. that's that. Now I'll just pre-solder the other one. I think I might cut. That should be good. I mentioned in one of the videos a while ago, maybe 3 or 4 ago, I was trying a new mic and it didn't work out. I don't know. I didn't like the audio, so I'm gonna have to try to find another one. Anybody knows a decent mic doing the things I do, let me know in the comments. Not a really big fan of the clip-on type, so maybe one that can attach to the camera. I'll leave it open. Get some flux. Flux is a little cold from being in the truck. It'll be okay. I'll wipe off the access. Let that dry, not dry, but cool down, sorry. There you go. I wasn't kidding when I said there was not much room. It's a 30-inch cabinet, but it has a middle divider, 2 doors. Makes this a little bit tight. Back to the trusty chain locks. That's good. That's good. Okay. Alright, the valves are off. Just gonna go turn the water back on, check for leaks. I got Ash helping me turn the water on. Go ahead all the way. Yeah. Okay. We're good, no leaks. No leaks! We have no leaks!
I'm the audience.
Father-in-law. My father-in-law's sitting there looking at me strange, yelling.
It's what I do.
Alright, so you're good to go. I left the water off to this, just because it's not hooked up.
Okay.
And then when I get the part out, gotta come back. You have 2 shutoffs under here too now. I put one for the dishwasher, one for the faucet.
Good thinking.
Before, it wasn't like that, so you had to turn everything off.
Yeah.
I'm happy. You happy?
Always.
There you go. We'll see you on the next one. Get it! All right, apparently we need Sue's approval for what I've done here.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing like a mother-in-law, so here
Right?
you
The
go.
best mother-in-law in the world, mind you. Oh, wow.
So now you see that bottom one? That's your dishwasher. It's shut off. Don't turn it on.
This one here?
Yeah, that's the dishwasher.
Yeah.
And then the one up top, that's the faucet.
So that turns...
So that's on right now.
And then if you turn it quarter, it goes off?
Yep.
That's for future reference for me, if I have to phone you in a panic again. Right on. Thank you so much, Scott.
And everything else is working.
Perfect. Do I,
No
upstairs,
leaks.
should I go turn on the... Is
I
everything
did
off?
it. I did it all.
Why didn't you ask for our help?
Why?
Why? Why indeed?
Hey, buddy. Want to say hi?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, this is the guy who's going to teach me to be a future Mr. Fix-It.
Future mix it.
Can you do this? Get it.
Get it.
Say it again.
Get it.
Get it.
Get it.
There
Get
you go. Good job, buddy.
High five.
We got to go home and have dinner now.
Get it.
So we'll see you guys on the next one. Get it.
Watch the stairs.